Hi everyone. Welcome to the KVB Free Forex Course Episode 1, Introduction of Forex, where we're going to break down Forex trading into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this series is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Forex is, why people trade it, and how you can get started. So, let's dive in. What is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Think of it like this: whenever you travel to another country, you exchange your money for the local currency. For example, if you're from the US and you visit Europe, you'd exchange your US dollars for euros. That's Forex in action. But Forex trading isn't just for travelers. It's a massive financial market where banks, businesses, governments, and individuals like you and me buy and sell currencies to make a profit. In fact, Forex is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. Why do we trade Forex? Now, you might be wondering, why should I trade Forex? Well, there are some great benefits. Accessibility: you can trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, from anywhere in the world. Liquidity: because it's such a huge market, you can buy and sell currencies quickly without worrying about price manipulation. Leverage: with a small amount of money, you can control a much larger position. But remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify both profits and losses. Which brings me to the risks. Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires knowledge, discipline, and a solid strategy. You can lose money if you're not careful, so it's important to start small, learn the basics, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. So who are the key players in the Forex market? The Forex market is made up of different players, each with their own role. Banks and financial institutions: these are the big players. They facilitate most of the trading and provide liquidity to the market. Governments and central banks: they participate to stabilize or influence their currency's value. Corporations: companies like Apple or Toyota trade Forex to hedge against currency risk when doing business internationally. Retail traders: that's us. Individual traders like you and me who trade Forex for profit. Even though retail traders are the smallest group, advancements in technology have made it easier than ever for us to participate and compete in this massive market. So what are the major currency pairs? Now, let's talk about currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs, like euro to US dollar, or pound sterling to US dollar. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. The price tells you how much of the quote currency you need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. The most traded pairs are called the majors, and they include euro to US dollar, British pound versus US dollar versus Japanese yen, US dollar versus Swiss franc, Australian dollar versus US dollar versus Canadian dollar. These pairs are popular because they're highly liquid and have tight spreads, which means lower trading costs for you. Here's a fun fact to blow your mind: the Forex market trades over $6 trillion every single day. The New York Stock Exchange, one of the largest stock markets in the world, trades about 50 billion daily. That means Forex is over 100 times bigger. This huge volume is what makes Forex so liquid and exciting. But remember, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. Always trade smart. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. Forex is the global market for trading currencies. It's the largest financial market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded daily. Major players include banks, governments, corporations, and retail traders. The most traded currency pairs are called the majors, like euro to US dollar and pound sterling to US dollar. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to KVB YouTube channel so you don't miss the next episode. In episode 2, we'll dive into pips and lots, the building blocks of Forex trading. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.